Hey folks, FYNEX here from GREENZONE. So in this video, we're going to understand the two trade analysis, which is like a Euro USD and Bitcoin. That's what we done in last 2 days. Okay, it's going to be like a very fun and it's very easy understandable videos. Okay, just watch this video fully. You can easily understand what are the steps we have done before we enter for a trades. Okay, it's very important to understand the analysis before you enter for a trades. It's very important. That's what we provide for the primes. We just share each and every analysis videos before we go for the trades in prime. Okay, anyway, here I'm going to share the post trade analysis. What is the post trade analysis? The analysis we're sharing after we hitting the targets or the stop loss. That's a post trade analysis. Anyway, here I'm going to show you the two trade analysis, which is like a Euro USD and obviously Bitcoin. Monday we enter for the Euro USD and Tuesday we enter for Bitcoin, which is BTC USD. And in this video we're going to cover these two trade analysis. Okay, you want to see this one. First I'm going to explain the Euro USD. So this is a trade we took from here and it's a targets. We got the massive targets and we held this trade almost 35 hours to get the targets. Let's break it down each and every analysis, the step by steps. Okay, right now I'm just streaming each and everything so you can understand what are the analysis I have done for this trade. See, I'm coming from the daily time frames. Okay, it's very important to come from the higher time frames. It's a daily time frame because we only looking for the day tradings and the swing trades, not the longer like a position trading. Okay, anyway, it's a daily time frame and daily time frame you got to see this one. We don't need to mark anything in daily time frame. It's very clear, it's in downtrend, right? It's falling from here, it's in downtrend. It's not interrupt any lower high in any places from this downtrend, and it's create the bull or pullbacks or the retest in small like a higher time frame, and after that we can see a continuous fall from here. It's like a drop base drop, right? If you know the Doe theory, it's easy as that. Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 4-hour time frame. See, when we do the analysis, we are going to coming from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Still many people are still confused. They're only looking for 3 minutes time frame charts, 5 minutes time frame charts for their scalping, and they're creating some strategies by just using the smaller time frame. It's not that easy, right? Doing some analysis in smaller time frames. 4-hour time frame, what's just happening in 4-hour time frame? See this. After creating high highs and high lows continuously from here, I'm coming from here. Okay, it's a 4-hour time frames. High highs and high lows continuously in 4-hour time frames. It's still a wick, but we can take it as a high because it's already taking this liquidity. Okay, what are the liquidities? Each and everything we just teach in our mentorship. I'm not teaching here. It's not going to be like a lengthy videos. It's very short videos. I'm just sharing the simple analysis. We have done something more in our live sessions, but anyway, here is a posted analysis. I can't explain each and everything in this video. It's going to be like a lengthy video if I explain each and everything in smaller time frame, each and every time frames. Okay, anyway, it's created took the liquidity from here. That's a high highs. Anyway, and after that it's broke this lower high from here and it's continuously falling down from these places. So we know that it's in downtrend in smaller time frame, which is like a medium time frame, right? It's a 4-hour time frame, the medium time frame. Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like 1-hour time frame. So in this 1-hour time frame we can see something more price action things. Okay, if you are price action trader, you can easily spot this as a support zone, right? It's reverse from here, reverse again it's created the trap from here, and after that we can see a quick fall that's created from here after a retest. It's purely price action things, right? Again, it comes to the same support zone, which is like a polarity zone. So what is polarity? If once it's act as a support zone, next it's act as a resistance zone. That's a polarity zone, right? I'm not explaining something more at here. Okay, just posted analysis anyway. And it's again comes to the retest from here. In this time we are going to even a smaller time frame to identify the structure. What is the structure is going on when it comes to the pullback? See, right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 30 minutes time frame. So what just happened here? See this. It's created the low lows and low highs continuously, then it's created the high highs and higher lows continuously. See this. It's a last higher high, higher low, and again it's break this higher high from here. And this is what? This is a liquidity sweep or liquidity pool, you can call it whatever. Just understand the concept here. I'm not the dumb ass peoples who are just going to enter from here immediately believing that this is as a liquidity pool or the liquidity sweeps. We just need some more confirmation. What is that confirmation? The structure breakdown, guys. Okay, that's the most important confirmation that you can do for your trade setups. Okay, see this. Some people are going to think like, okay, it's a liquidity pool and they're going to enter from here, but we are not that dumb peoples. Okay, we just need some confirmation. See, it comes to we are just mixing some like a price actions, structure, smart money concept, each and everything in our trade setups. Okay, these are the frameworks. Some people are thinking that okay, if you enter from the demand zone, if you enter from the supply zone, these are the strategies, but it's not the strategies. Okay, it's all the frameworks anyway. And you want to see this one, it comes to it's a liquidity sweep, right? It's a liquidity sweep, and when it comes to the liquidity sweep, it's created the high highs and high lows continuously, right? You can easily find this, you can easily see this all the things sign. Right now I'm marking the last higher low which is created from here in this up structure. You can see it's created the high highs and high lows continuously. If it's a valuable liquidity sweep, if it's a valuable pullback or there is support retest, it must need to break this higher low, which is like a trend shift, market structure shift. Okay, that's what we call it, and that's where we plan to trade from here to the short side. See this is where we plan to trade if it's available liquidity, if it's available support zone retest, if it's a supply mitigations, and all the time frames trend is going in downside. Okay, not even a single time frame that's going upside. Each and every time frames is going downside. So we got some more confirmations. Okay, I'm not writing down each and every confirmation. Almost we got 14 to 15 points confirmation in this checkpoints, checklist, whatever. Okay, anyway, and we put the stop loss just at this place, because if it's breaking this high, definitely it's going to be a trap. Then we can see a quick momentum towards the upside. That's why we put the stop loss, and our target is 4-hour time frames demand zone, which is created from here. You want to see this one, it's a rejection, right? It's a rejection that's created from here, and the demand zone, you can easily find this as a demand zone, right, in 4-hour time frames. And this way our targets, we put the targets. See this, it's well defined, well planned trade setups. Okay, and if you're a price action trader, you can easily find this as a patterns, head and shoulder pattern. But don't fall in this type of patterns in price actions. Just understand the concept, understand the trend, understand the structure, understand some like a key levels, support, resistance, demand, supplies, polarity zones, area of interest, okay, key zones, and then understand the liquidity concept. Okay, this is all you needed. This is all you needed as a framework. Each and everything we teach in our mentorship. Okay, I'll just explain it later. Right now we're switching the next trade setups that we enter in Bitcoin. See this, the Bitcoin trade, it's still going on. We're still holding half of the positions. Okay, we cut half of the positions when we got second TPs, second targets, almost 1:2 risk to reward ratio targets. What is 1:2? Which means we just risking $100 to get the $200. Okay, that's 1:2. We already got the 1:2, and we just aiming for 1:3 or 1:4, something more, something big. Okay, that's what the pro traders do. They're trying stop loss each and every time. Right now we're trying the stop loss at the sell price, and we aiming for this targets. Anyway, I'm going to explain the reason for this trade. Okay, it's like a pure price action trading. See this, I'm just using some price actions. Okay, I already marked something here. I'm just removing each and everything so that I can explain to you easily. And it's a 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, you can easily, I'm not going even a higher time frame, which is like a daily time frame. You already know that the crypto market is already crashing, right? After a Trump announcements, the news, and after the Iran war, each and everything, the geopolitics is against for the cryptos, and the crypto market is already falling. And we can see some of the pause movements. It's like a sideways movements in crypto markets. Anyway, right now I'm switching the medium time frame, which is like a 4-hour time frame. I'm coming from here because we're just looking for a day trading in this Bitcoin. Okay, not the swing tradings, not for the holding for the weeks or months, just of 24 hours holding. That's a maximum holding we're just looking for in this trade. Okay, anyway, you want to see this one. In price action theory, you can easily find this as a double top patterns, right? But in liquidity concept, we can see it's took the liquidity sweep from here, right? It's took the liquidity sweep from here, and after that we can see a fall. Okay, this is not the place we just plan to enter for the short side. We just need some more confirmations. We only look for weekly 4 to 5 trades. That's maximum. Okay, we are not looking for 4 to 5 trades in a day. We're just looking for the quality trades over quantity, because see, we're risking something big and we are just aiming something more bigger. Okay, that's our concept from the green zone. That's why we put the name as green zone. Anyway, it's a 4-hour time frame. Right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like 1-hour time frame. So if you're a price action trader, you can easily find this as a double top patterns, but it's a liquidity concept. And after that, it's created a neckline or the support zone, area of interest, you can call it whatever. I told you, right? You can put your name, even your name. Just understand the concept. That's very important. Okay, remembering name, memorizing names can't make you a profitable trader. Just understand the concept, what just happened in the markets. Okay, that's very important. So it's in 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, there's the same concept. Okay, it's took the liquidity, and after that break the support zone or the area of interest. It's again comes to the retest in this place. We can mark this as a base. Okay, it's create the base from here. What is the base? Consolidation base, box consolidation, sideways. These are the single things. People are putting thousands of names for this. Okay, just make you complicated so they can sell your course by just putting like a complicated names. It's not that hard, guys. It's very easy. Okay, don't memorize the names, just understand the concept. That's very easy. Okay, it's break the support zone or area of interest. It's again comes to the retest. Okay, right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is like a 30 minutes time frame. Say this, if you're a price action trader, you can easily find this the another pattern from here. What is this? It's a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, if you don't mind, I can draw this. It's a head and shoulder pattern. Just Google it. Okay, anyway, I'm not looking for the pattern set here. I'm just marking this as a support zone or the area of interest, the next area of interest that's created from here. Okay, right now I'm switching even a smaller time frame, which is, so it's in 50-minute time frame. So what just happened in 50-minute time frame? Say this, it's took this as a fake outs, okay, or the liquidity concept or whatever, and it comes again to the supply zone which is created in smaller time frame. But before that, it's happened something more, guys. Okay, in smaller time frame we can see it comes to the FVG, the fair value gaps, and again you got to see this one, it's created the box consolidation or the liquidity pool, and after that it's took the liquidity, then it's given a fall from here and it's broke this 4 hour time frame support zone. Okay, it's something more happened here that's I can't able to explain in this video because it's going to be like a lengthy video. I just need to share this video in WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp, you know that the video more than 180 MB I can't share in WhatsApp. Okay, that's why I'm making even a small video, a compression video. I'm going to explain each and everything very quick. I'm not going to explain each and everything detail in this video. Okay, that's why the prime is very important. We're going to teach you in live sessions. We're going to share the analysis. We're going to trade in front of you in the live sessions. Okay, in Zoom meetings. Anyway, if you want to join the prime, just message to the support team. Okay, that's it. And at the end, I'm going to show you the website that where you can join the prime. Okay, and after taking this supply zone mitigations, we just plan to enter from here to the short side from this place. Okay, this is our entries, and our target is 4 hour time frame supply zone, and our stop loss just above this supply zone. Okay, the smaller time frame supply zone. This is it. There's our trades, and still we're holding this trade with a small trailing stop loss. Okay, what is trailing stop loss? After getting some of the movements, we're going to change our stop loss to the sell price, because if it's hit the stop loss, we are going to exit with 0 losses. Okay, we already closed some positions at here, and after that we're trying the stop loss. If you are in free groups or the free community of green zones, definitely you will get some trades, the good trades, quality trades, but you will get it late. Okay, it's going to be like a late updates, because that's what major difference in prime and the free groups. Okay, and if you're joining the prime, you'll get each and everything. You can learn from absolute basic to advanced level. If you will get the 24/7 dedicated support team, you'll get the live sessions with our mentors, and you'll get the prime community WhatsApp groups. Okay, that's where we share each and every trades before it's getting activation, and you'll get the support teams that I already told you, right? And you'll get the growth team. If you want to take the subscriptions over the prime, just go to this website, greenzoneonline.in. Okay, sorry guys, greenzoneonline.in. You can just go from here, and this is a prime pricing starter plan. This is for the 30 days, just for 1 month. It's a 3-month plan, silver, gold for 6 months, and platinum for 1 year, elite for lifetime. Okay, if you go for elite, it's going to be the best option for you. You'll get the 3 proven strategies, everything from the platinums, this plans, lifetime access to TGZ ecosystem, the green zone. Okay, because if you come with any updates in future, you'll get in this elite plans. Okay, and one-on-one and weekend sessions with our mentors. You can connect with me or my brothers or my friends. They are also mentors. They also experience in the markets from last 8 to 10 years. Okay, some people's his name is Munavo. He's already trading in 12 years in this forex market. So you'll get one-on-one sessions with Munavo and some our teams also. Anyway, each plans has a different features. Read each and everything, and if you're convinced, if you need anything from any plans, you can just go to the subscribe button, and after that you can choose the plans, the payment method which is suitable for you, and after that you will redirect to the WhatsApp, our support team. That's where you can do the payments, and the next procedure, each and everything will be done there. Okay, and what you will get in this prime in TGZ community, you will get the live trades, 24/7 mentorship access. You can learn from absolute basic to advanced level, live sessions each and every day in front of you. We are going to take the trades. Okay, the wealth creation, we already create the teams for the wealth creation for the long terms, connecting each traders each other and grow together. And if you want to join the prime, just go here. Okay, greenzoneonline.in. There's 5 plans. You can choose which is suitable for you. Hope you guys get it. That's it. Peace out.